This is it! Morris, make me sneeze! Oh, Morris, I can't take it the back! Morris, make me sneeze! One goose, two ducks, three crows, four friends, 5 hours, 6 feet, 7 peas, 8 eyes, butts, 10 butterflies. The ant. This is the corner. The Morris make me sneeze. Or don't go to bed. The hair. Like the government. The curious. The Morris make me sneeze. Oh, we're gonna because I can't mess that butt. Squeak, Mario got an egg shake of test. Go fun again, don't go so Morris, make me sneeze. I'm gonna get the current. Scream. Find the good. I got it. Or with the brush.
And who better to do that than Polly? But Polly shreds the tickets into confetti.
Polly want more tickets.
Oh, joystick. And that was your last wish. My mistake, Leah. Actually, it was my mistake for making the wish. But maybe it'll be okay if we just keep playing.
Oh! What's the attention of the guy? What's the guy again?
What's the question? I want to know why birds sing. Plants don't sing, lizards don't sing. Why do birds sing?
Of course birds sing. They are birds.
But why do they sing, Ari?
Oh, huh. I never thought about it before. You're right, I don't know.
We'll help you, Eleanor. Let's all solve the mystery together.
Yeah.
Oh! The Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, on your mark, get set, go. The race a car to get Morris, make me sneeze. What do we? We can't turn the Morris, make me sneeze, or something of the fun not to go to Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, no, good. Morris, make me sneeze, or I can't for is what do when. Let's get the word again. Morris, make me sneeze. Word again. Ah, no. What happened? What? The mother track. We do know the Morris, make me sneeze. What do you Let's get the make the Morris make me sneeze. Oregon forever. You could Morris make me sneeze. Oregon not. Here you come. Oregon the Morris make me sneeze. Oregon the boy. Come back goodness. The last thing. It's gonna Morris make me sneeze. Oregon what do when looking in the face, take out forever, the lost forever. Buzz, what that in the one?
Baby.
And? What is it? What's the cat's
Yeah,
name?
no, it's Bootsy. Calico.
Quick, this game, stickers, go grab. Pete the cat, go, Pete, go. Round one. You fight. That's good. Is that? What? Or I guess like dude, the Fly Guy play says sharks. Round 2. Fight. Morris, make a sneeze. Stop! Let's go. Let's look at this. Let's go. Let's go. Fly Guy and the freaking fly. Round 3. Fight. No, I didn't use what's that? Not gonna run this. Let's quit. Pete the cat. Too cool for school. Round 4. Fight. Morris, make me sneeze. What? Don't worry, stop. What? Don't! Whiskers, the Morris, make me sneeze. I don't wait. I'm just gonna with something. The goose. Round 6. You're welcome for the trip. Round 5. Fight.
On time, and you've got a kitty cat taking your place at home. You're not just not a boss, you're not even a good baby. So are you calling for help from a real executive baby who hasn't gone soft? Because I'm one of those. No, I'm calling to set the table for how breathtaking my victory will be later, and to get the last word.
Pete the cat. Robo Pete. Round 6. Fight. This is gonna hurt. It's like here. Oh, where the Pete the cat. Snow days. Round 7. Fight. Peter Cat, Scuba Cat. Round 8. Fight.
This house first stays out for good.
What? That is an insane contest. Why would you even offer that?
You don't think I could win?
That's not what I'm saying.
I honestly can't tell if you're agreeing to terms or just swearing at me. I'll take it as a yes. Deal. May the cutest baby win. Jimbo, will you please stop petting the cat?
Let's go with Fly Guy presents the White House. Final round. Fight. Oh, wow. Morris, make this sneeze. What are they talking about? There's gonna be lost the forever. No, I got it for face. You will go to her tomorrow. I got them. Listen.
You're both so cute. I don't know who to hug first.
Same time.
Baby, no!
Oh, hey, Morris, make these knees. That's the goodness. Wait! Ah! No. What happened?
Timothy Templeton? It wasn't me, Mom. The kitten. Oh, the kitten was playing football in the living room? What?
We'll discuss punishment later. For now, just go outside. You can roughhouse all you want out there. And take the baby with you. I don't want him around all this broken glass.
Outside? I lost.
Forget the stupid contest. You don't have to go. We can fix this.
No, Templeton. I made a deal. First out stays out. And I stand by my word. Bootsy Calico, I can't say I like you, but I respect a challenge well played.
Oh my God! Whiskers, Morris, make these knees. Or what the? Morris, make these knees. Or the good possible. I told you this is the word that I come to clear with skill part. Oh, Morris, make these knees. I don't want to wait too good. You good at top or toy are silver trap or not. There's a good Morris make needs or you go off of the way the office road or this what do Mr. Morris make these needs orographic or yes a classic it is a cover just a question Morris make these needs orographic you would to kill oversight the office Oregon instead Oregon Morris it was Morris make these knees or we do talking about there's a good super overdone or you have like the figures again you or a queer or a greatness or did they think stop or not doesn't work it'll be a two way I didn't dare.
Now! First out, stay out. Boom! Still got it.
Did your plan happen?
Please, this guy's such a Jesus, wait, 26 is scared. Yeah, this is so